Welcome to Keto Meals and Recipes.com. Today I'm going to make an Asian cucumber salad. This recipe takes only a few minutes to make and is incredibly easy, and if you like spicy and flavorful food, you will love this salad. And the wonderful thing about the spiciness of this salad is that it goes really well with any meat entree, such as my bacon wrapped chicken dog, which is actually a nice seasoned chicken breast wrapped in bacon. Or you could make the very simple 2-ingredient grilled steak. Alternatively, another suggestion is to make my keto teriyaki steak. As well as these suggestions, I will post some end links which will give you more suggestions of what you can serve with this Asian cucumber salad. And all of the links to the mentioned recipes and the written recipe are provided in the description below, so go check them out there, please. Now, the macronutrient ratio for this Asian cucumber salad is 3.6 to 1, with 5.5 grams of total carbs, 1.5 gram of dietary fiber, resulting in 4 grams of net carbs per serving. And if you look at my macro chart near the top, it shows you how many grams each serving is. As you can see on my table, there are not many ingredients, all of which you can find quite easily in most grocery stores. I like all kinds of international food, and this Asian recipe is really a nice change of pace because of its really flavorful, unique Asian taste, and because you can present it quite beautifully. I begin by taking my long English cucumber, also called a Persian cucumber. Then I cut thin ribbons along the length of the cucumber like this. This process would be much easier if you have a small vegetable peeler, but unfortunately mine broke. So I'm going to use a paring knife. So after cutting my first strip, I'm going to alternate by leaving the same width strip of cucumber peel on the cucumber. Then rotate the cucumber and cut another strip of peel off the cucumber. And then just repeat, alternating all the way around the cucumber with peel and unpeeled areas. Having done that, the next step is to cut the cucumber into 2 equal lengths, and then again, cut each of the halves into 2 equal lengths to make 4 quarters. You can cut the lengths individually or line them up and cut into 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter sections. After cutting along the entire length, place the cucumber pieces into your salad bowl. Sprinkle the salt over all of the cucumber pieces and toss well. The salt will help to draw out the water from the cucumber. And having done that, just set your bowl aside for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small heat-resistant bowl, add your chili flakes, add your grated garlic, and raw sesame seeds. And set this aside for a moment, because the next thing you should do is get a small pan, set over medium heat, and add your avocado or olive oil, and heat the oil until you can see it simmering. While your oil is still sizzling hot, immediately pour the hot oil into the bowl with the garlic and the spices. The sizzling action brings out the best flavor from the garlic and your spices. Now you can make this marinade without heating the oil, but I encourage you to heat the oil because with the heated oil, this marinade will taste so much better. And if you like restaurant Asian food, it will taste that good. This is not my recipe, and I got it off the internet from a Chinese chef. So I did my own research on why the hot oil, and the link to the original recipe is in the description below. Okay, back to my salad dressing bowl. To this, you add your gluten-free and sugar-free tamari, the vinegar, and the confectioner powder sweetener. Stir everything very well until you have noticed that the sweetener has completely dissolved in the oil. Then put this aside for a moment because it's time to drain the cucumber water from the bowl with the cucumbers. The final step to completing this cucumber salad is to toss in the green onion pieces and then drizzle the salad dressing you made over the cucumbers. Toss well so that each piece of cucumber has been well coated with this amazing dressing. Because I like to serve and present my food nicely for my family, I'm going to transfer the salad onto a serving platter, and I'm going to garnish this platter. I'm going to take a few pieces of celery leaf, or you can use basil or whatever leafy thing you have that's small and green, and a couple cherry tomatoes. Transfer my cucumber salad onto this platter, distribute it evenly, and then I'm going to drizzle some toasted sesame seed oil on top of the cucumbers just to add a little extra flavor. And as you remember, we already added the sesame seed when we were making the salad dressing. So now this amazing, very simple, absolutely tasty, a little bit spicy salad is all done. This salad is quite versatile and you can serve it immediately at room temperature as it is, or you can refrigerate it to chill it and serve it a little bit colder. By the way, if you have leftovers, cover with cling wrap or put into an airtight refrigerated container because the salad will last for several days in your fridge. I hope that you have found this tasty and easy cucumber salad recipe both interesting and something that you might like to try. And when you do, I hope you will enjoy it. To all of you who have persevered to the end, thank you so very much for watching my video. Until next time, have a happy and healthy day. Cheers!